Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by getting two controllers paired and signed into distinct Ps5 accounts. This matters because Fortnite requires separate profiles to split. Once done, launch Fortnite on the primary account and load into the Battle Royale lobby or your chosen match type. This is the only place split screen activates. Next, hand the second controller to player 2 and tell them to press X at the join prompt. You'll see their avatar slot populate. This confirms the game recognized both inputs and is ready to continue. Once the second player appears, you'll configure how you play together. The game auto-assigns left versus right screens based on controller connection order, so make sure controllers stay connected. Then, adjust HUD scale, brightness, and aim sensitivity for both players via the pause menu so neither loses visual clarity. This prevents aiming issues in tight fights. After settings are tuned, have both players accept the match or ready up. Fortnite won't start until both participants confirm, so check that both controllers register their input. Now press ready and start the match. Remember split screen splits rendering, so expect lower frame rates or reduced visibility. This is normal because the console renders two viewpoints simultaneously. If player 2 fails to join, first repair their controller, then sign their PSN account out and back in, and finally relaunch Fortnite if needed. These steps clear the common connection hiccups. If you encounter audio or voice overlap, use separate headsets or mute one account to keep communication clear and avoid feedback during gameplay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.